The conference hall at VCM was envisioned as a multifunctional space that could seamlessly accommodate a variety of activities as per the requirement. Spreading over 5,000 square feet, the hall became a massive volume and a prominent beam grid structure that immediately defined the character of the space. The very first element that caught our attention were the windows. Their existing proportions felt visually disconnected from the scale of the volume, and hence the design intervention began by extending their perceived height, allowing them to feel more balanced and proportionate to the grandeur of the hall. This simple move instantly elevated the special experience and brought a strong sense of verticality. The wall paneling incorporated micro-perforated acoustic boards layered with fabric, ensuring optimal sound performance while maintaining a refined aesthetics. Rich wood detailing was introduced to soften and break the rigidity of the formal grid structure, bringing warmth and rhythm into the space. Further, enhancing the character of the hall, wooden wainscoting and intricate carvings were thoughtfully integrated across the interiors, lending the space a distinct sense of heritage and craftsmanship. Every element was carefully curated to create an atmosphere that resonated with the timeless identity of the temple while still functioning as a modern functional conference venue. The ceiling design became another defining feature of the hall, with a muted green coffers ceiling accentuated by elegant brass detailing that added depth and richness to the overall composition. To further enhance the warmth and continuity of the design language, wood-textured film by LG were incorporated, lending the appearance of natural wood while ensuring durability and the ease of maintenance. The interplay of green, brass, and wood tones brought together a refined balance of sophistication, heritage, and contemporary elegance. The color palette was thoughtfully curated to ensure that the space never felt overwhelming, but instead maintained the calmness and functionality required for a productive work. A warm spectrum of wood tones, expressed through both laminates and natural wood finishes, brought depth and comfort to the interiors, reinforcing the timeless character of the space. To balance this warmth with a contemporary sensibility, the cabinetry and selected elements were finished in muted grey tones, introducing a subtle modern edge. The result was a seamless blend of vintage, heritage, and modern sophistication, where tradition and functionality coexisted effortlessly. The space was intentionally designed without any fixed furniture, allowing complete flexibility and multifunctional use. Every furniture piece was custom designed in a modular format to adapt to different special requirements. The conference table were crafted in teak wood and designed in 5-foot modules, enabling them to combine into a 20-foot long conference setup when required, while also functionally independent as linear workstations or smaller discussion tables. Similarly, the round tables were designed with foldable mechanism, allowing them to be unlocked, folded, and neatly stacked when not in use, thereby optimizing floor space. The chairs were also carefully selected and designed to be stackable, ensuring minimal space occupancy during non-usage while maintaining ease of movement and flexibility within the hall. So we hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the conference hall. Stay tuned as we bring you more such spaces and the stories behind their design. Thank you.